ladies and gents. Touchless car wash. These are okay with the ceramic coating. Tomorrow, we have Cars and Coffee. Past Diners Cars and Coffee. Hopefully the weather is decent. It's a little cloudy today. We have like a 30% chance of rain later. Really hoping that turns into 0. I just want to get the car clean, show up tomorrow, have fun, get some good content, and then just be done for the weekend. Hopefully the rain holds off. But since I got a car wash, you know that chance is probably going through the roof. Couple updates from last video. I found out why the light for my right blinker was going off. I tried my right blinker and the mirror worked. Now it doesn't. So that's it. It's a little inconvenient. Luckily, it's not the headlight or the taillight. I feel like that's much more expensive. But also, I mentioned I may be running out of mod ideas in my last video. Was proven very, very wrong. Bootleg RS5, thanks for all the info. I realized there is almost unlimited opportunity still left for this car. Sometimes if I say something goofy, just humble me and tell me I'm wrong. I appreciate it, seriously. Hit like for the algorithm, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, want to see more stuff like this. But without further ado, let's just get into it, shall we?
This is a very dangerous way to carry Starbucks. I wouldn't recommend it unless you're a trained professional like myself. Good morning, ladies and gents. We're going to Cars and Coffee, Past Diners. Boy, is she looking shiny. Cheers.
Well, we found Reed, but we ran into another issue. Not quite sure what the deal is here. Oh, he's got a ticket. That sucks. Oh, and she's pissed.
That looks almost identical to Ty's car except for the front area.
Oh, but it's the OEM front carbon though.
Ooh, that's such a clean spec too. How fun. Oh my goodness gracious. This is C8 parking only over here. It looks cool with the white seats. They're like lighter color seats.
Yeah.
Jeez. This is clean. I'm digging it.
Oh.
That's cool. That dark blue is my favorite color, so if I had a fleet of cars, they'd all be dark blue. That looks so comfy. I would fall asleep back there. It literally looks like a private jet, like interior. That's so sweet. Oh, nice. Classic Beamer, boys. .992 GT3. That color was cool. Ooh, old Targa. Some Jeep stuff going on. Some piece of junk. And the GTS. Yo! What's going on? Tow hook in the C8. That was Coley and Jimbo. Yeah, take a look at this carbon steering wheel. I think it's pretty dope. Very nice.
That was fun, but we are on to find a little shooting spot. A nice little back alley where we can shoot up with nobody around. Just want to get some good pictures of the GTS and the S5, so we're following Reese. Don't mind the crack.
So Mr. 6-speed is getting some shots of the S5, and then we're gonna do the 911 GTS in a second. Trying to work with the sun here as much as we can. Beautiful sunny day if you look straight into the sun, but sun and photography do not mix well. That's a super cool shot. Cool little spot over yonder. I think we might flip around, see where the shadows are at. All right, time to get out of here.
Well, that was fun. There's some cool cars there. There's a ton of old Rolls Royces, which is random. But hey, maybe there was something going on today that we missed. But that place is cool, Past Diners on Woodward. So yeah, some cool stuff out. Got some cool pictures of the S5 and the GTS. It is beautiful. It's 76 and sunny. It's only gonna get hotter today. Kyle put on the big stickies. About to roll out together. Still got the sticker on from the rally. I commend that. We whip around here to the other side. There we go. We're about 5 minutes out. Let's see what's there. I'm excited. Let's rip. Bro, it is busy. It's 7:52. I technically started 50 minutes ago, but there is quite the turnout. We'll hop out of the car and show you guys exactly what the setup is. I hope the line for the food trucks isn't too long, but we'll see.
Shout out little PB gang, baby. Look how many freaking people are here, dude. Oh, we got drinks. What? Oh, baby. Sheesh. What's the exhaust?
It's kind of like the Evo Fly.
Uh-oh, we got some revving going on. That was specifically in the instructions not to do. Dude, there's gotta be like 1,000 people here. That's wild. They're on trucks doing truck stuff. Damn, all right. Cars are still pulling up, baby. Got DJ Edder's in the house as well. Cheers. How we doing? Cheers. All right, let's see what the shenanigans are over here. Because there's about 300 people gathered. Just want to see what all the business is. Look at, oh shit, look at that. All right. Oh yeah, it is a sheepy boy. All right. 50 roll, Montana plate, clean. Forged carbon hood. Oh, I didn't even see this R8. What the fuck? Oh geez. Just got the Siggy out the window, chilling. Oh, he said no.
Everybody's just rocking the boat.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. I love that. That is sick.
Back wheels are tucked.
Dude, look at the concavity. Is that a word? Concavity?
Sure.
Concaveness? Oh, things are happening. I don't know if they're good things or bad things, but things are happening, ladies and gents. The sun's going down. The chaos is about to ensue. And there's about 200 people over there just chilling, watching people kind of do like burnout stuff.
Do a whole
Oh, it's
lot
an
of
S5. It's a supercharged S5. Let's go. I like that. There she is. Should I have kept the window pop? Probably not. Oh well. What's up, boys? Uh-oh. This isn't good, boys and girls.
I wonder if he's yelling at the dude that's sitting up there.
Oh, yeah, he's chilling up there. I didn't even see him. Super boys pulling up. This thing on bags is a... Whew, that is nutty.
They need the Street Hunter spoiler.
Yeah, they do. All right, some boys pulling out. Oh, and the R8 boy. What's going on over here? Oh, truck gang! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, ladies and gents. What do we got going on here? Holy cow, ladies and gents. We have quite the show. It has escalated here to a bit of rowdiness. So they are kicking everybody out. And we got the S5, looks like. Let's see. I don't know where my car is, so we should probably go find that first. Yeah, it got rowdy fast. As soon as the sun set, people started doing burnouts. We saw smoke in the air and we're like, ah! I had no idea what to expect. Literally, when we came in, there was like, I don't know, maybe 200 people that I saw, and then it was 1,000 really quick.
Well, that was a super good time. Turnout was nuts. About 1,000 people, if I had to guess. We shut down the parking lot. Cops actually had to come in there around 10 and clear it out. The event was until 10, so it's private property, and it was like okayed, I guess, but a couple burnouts here and there. City didn't really like that. So it was 100 degrees in Michigan today, and I am exhausted. I took a nap for 2 hours because I've been filming a ton of videos. I did 4 videos filmed in the last 2 days, which is great. Absolutely not complaining. Oh my goodness, is it exhausting. I'm about to go park the S5 somewhere, get some pictures and some reels for Instagram. If you guys don't already follow the Instagram, S5KevG, go bump those numbers up. But that is for the other platform. This will wrap up the video today. Ladies and gents, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, hit that like button for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new, want to stick around. We'll see ya in the next one.